Hello Diecast lover. Welcome to another episode from Diecast Studio. In this episode, we're going to unboxing a latest Porsche 911 Carrera 4S from Mini GT. This 252 Mini GT comes in racing yellow finishes and in 1/64th scale. It is the first casting for this model. Without further ado, let's unbox this Porsche 911. For your information, this casting is inspired from the latest 2020 Porsche 911 released. And there you go. Straight out from the box. Nice yellow color. And I can get the premium feel when I play with it. It's not so light and not so heavy. Just the right as it is. Let's begin from the side profile. We got a nice stock Porsche wheels in flat black finishes. This matched perfectly with the yellow body color. The Porsche cap completed the look of this wheel. Side mirror is made from the rubber in the same color. Solidly placed. Let's move on to the front side. We got a nice black grille and a painted black diffuser. And what I like the most about this car? The black tint headlight. This casting comes in plastic headlight with black interior. So the headlight will create a blackout headlight effect. Same as the Supra MK5 that I reviewed before. The Porsche logo are well placed and readable. The windows comes in a clear finishes. And others is the same as the other side. Except for the fuel door cover here. Let's move on to the coolest side of this car. We got a double exhaust tip on the both side. The back design looks really clean and smooth. Really well built. The tail light painted in red as it is very slim. And the Porsche writing also quite readable. The base was made from metal in black. And it comes with 2 Phillips screw. Easy to customize. Let me show you the interior in more detail. The dashboard and the seat looks well built. And the small detail like the gear and the steering wheel's also good. The body quite solid. You can change the wheels easily if you want to. And there you go. The racing yellow Porsche 911 Carrera 4S by Mini GT. I think you should not miss this first 911 casting. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider to like and subscribe for more video. Thank you.